Yes, grief is going to last forever, but before you leave, it's not going to be the way you think it is going to be. That void, it's going to be there forever, but the intensity of the grief is going to reduce gradually by years or by months depending upon your mental strength. But there are ways where you can speed up the process and come out of it even more stronger. I'll let you know what it is soon. But before that, I want to first of all appreciate you for taking the effort and literally searching how grief would be and how long it's going to last, because you now have the mindset that you need to put in some effort to just get through the process as quick as possible because it's hurting you know that. And you're also having that question whether it's going to be last forever because your home is so silent and you could only hear crying sound all over, let alone laughter. You are wondering whether you will hear even conversations in your home because it's so messed up and it's so new to you. But trust me, your home will get back to normal as it was before, and you'll hear conversation sound and also laughter. Getting back to normal is possible because that's how the process is. It happened for me, so it will happen for you too. Okay, you're wondering, you're not able to relate with me because you don't witness my life, but think about your family members. They probably would have went through grief at the early stages of their life, but they were able to get through it, and even they were stronger after it. You witnessed it or you heard about it. So now you can come to that mindset that it's not going to be forever, right? So, coming to how long grief will last, it will last depending on your relationship with that person. Even if you are in the same family, different person is going to grieve in different time period based on how close they are to that person. For example, like you have your siblings and someone like your parent figure is not there anymore. Depending on how close you are, you're going to experience that grief. Why am I saying is that you're maybe you're close to that person and you're still stuck in it, but you could see your sibling moving forward in his or her life. So you're wondering that some problem with you and your mental strength, why I can't able to get through it as positive as he or she did it. Why? That's your question. It's not about your mental strength or it's not something wrong with you. The problem is it's not a problem. I hear it somewhere. Grief is something which unshown love is what grief is. It's just that you love that person even more. That's why you're not able to come out of it. I know. So just don't fall into the trap of comparison within your family member. And not only comparison within the house, you may also compare yourself with your family members outside your house or with your friends or relatives. But the thing is, probably they had something positive happening in their life after grief. But in your life, it's not that case. Grief was an add on to a crisis. That stage, it's difficult to move forward because it's just adding the weight. What will happen if you keep on adding a weight? Of course, you're going to burst out. Of course, you're going to struggle. In that case, when you realize that it's too much to handle, you can go for help to some grief coach. If grief coach sounds new to you, it's our society. We think that every mental problems we should handle ourselves because we have the capability, but the strength differ from one person to another. You would probably know it by now. Like mental strength is not same for everybody. It is okay to get help from someone who have been through it, because probably that person who have been through it or who are educated for it will help you in this process. And saying that, I'll do one-on-one consultation. If you're interested, check the details in the description, so you can make use of it, because with the help of a grief coach you can get through it within months, and it's proven by others. You can search it in online, and some will lose their self in the grief process. I don't want that to happen to you, and you don't want that too. So see you there.